What is a botanical garden? A botanical garden is a park which contains a wide variety of plants and flowers. The plants are typically labeled and may include special collections of rare species. They are often run by organizations and universities and host monthly exhibits and lectures. History. The idea of botanical gardens began as early as the Roman Empire, where philosopher Aristotle is said to have used the gardens for education purposes. They spread throughout Europe, and the first American botanical garden was founded in 1730 in Pennsylvania. Function. Botanical gardens, in addition to their display of beauty to the public, often serve as grounds for scientific research, breeding of rare species and other educational research methods. Location. Botanical gardens are located all over the United States as well as Australia, China, New Zealand, the Middle East and Russia. Potential. Botanical gardens are continuing to be built worldwide and are being used for both educational and commercial purposes. Recently, China established a number of botanical gardens housing rare tropical plants. Events. Botanical gardens such as the United States Botanic Garden often host exhibits, lectures, tours and fundraising events at various times during the year.